My name is Todd Wente. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with Panorama Orthopedics and Spine Center. I grew up in a small town in central Illinois. I grew up playing all kinds of different sports, but really basketball was the main sport that as I got older really became my main focus. Come from a big basketball family. My father played at the University of Illinois, and both of my brothers played in college, as did I. I saw a lot of teammates along the way that had various ailments and injuries that the orthopedist was able to get them back to playing, sometimes even better than before, which always really stuck with me. I went to undergraduate school at Illinois Wesleyan University, which is in Bloomington, Illinois. I went on from there to medical school at Southern Illinois University, also in Illinois, and then from there I did my orthopedic residency at the University of Arkansas, which is in Little Rock, Arkansas. After residency, I spent a year in a sports medicine fellowship in Kansas City. I had the opportunity to take care of the college and professional athletes there in Kansas City, and really kind of focused my interest more on that sports medicine aspect of orthopedics. I've worked in Castle Rock for the last 4 or 5 years, and this winter then had an opportunity to join what I consider the premier orthopedic group here in Colorado, and so I feel very fortunate to have this opportunity to join such a wonderful organization. I think that they have a lot of terrific physicians that work at Panorama, but more importantly, they have a lot of just fantastic people, and I think their approach and their mission to the patients and taking them through the entire spectrum of care, I think is unique among orthopedic groups, and so I just feel very fortunate to be a part of that mission. I think one of the biggest things patients should consider when looking for an orthopedic physician really is someone that is willing to sit down with them and talk about the variety of options that are available to them. Surgery is not always the right answer, and a lot of patients that we treat, ultimately we arrive at a good treatment plan with non-operative treatment. And I think that's the beauty of orthopedics is, really there's not a right and wrong way to treat these injuries and treat these problems that we see on a daily basis. And I think that it's important for us to sit down with patients and really give them the information so that they can make the best decision for themselves. When I'm not at work, I enjoy all of those activities that Colorado has to offer. I am married and have an amazing wife. She is a Colorado native. She grew up in Aspen, and we're fortunate to be able to spend a lot of time in the Aspen Valley. And so in the winter, my winters usually consist of chasing her down the mountain on skis. And the summer we enjoy, hiking and fly fishing, and we play golf together. So, usually if I'm not at work, she and I are out doing something together. I'm also very fortunate to have both of my brothers who I'm very close with here in Colorado as well. So family has always been very important.